Ever wonder what it really takes to survive in the wild?
Forget claws, teeth, or speed. Some animals have evolved survival skills so bizarre, they sound like science fiction.
From creatures that shoot blood from their eyes, to jellyfish that literally live forever.
And even shrimp that create underwater shockwaves hotter than the surface of the sun.
Today, we're counting down the 10 weirdest animal adaptations. Evolution's strangest inventions that push the limits of what's possible in the natural world.
Some are creepy, some are genius. All of them will blow your mind.
So sit back, subscribe if you love mind-blowing facts, and get ready to meet nature's weirdest survivors.
Let's dive into the wild world of bizarre animal adaptations.
Fact 1. The immortal jellyfish. Okay, let's start with something that sounds straight out of science fiction. The immortal jellyfish.
Immortal? Like it can't die?
Pretty much. When it gets injured or old, it can actually revert back to its juvenile stage. It basically resets its life cycle.
That's insane. So it's like hitting a biological restart button?
Exactly. Scientists call it transdifferentiation. Its cells transform into new types, so it becomes young again. In theory, it could live forever, unless it gets eaten, of course. Fact 2. The horned lizard shoots blood from its eyes.
Ever been so stressed you wanted to cry blood?
Well, the horned lizard actually does. It can squirt blood from its eyes as a defense mechanism.
Wait, seriously? Like actual blood?
Yep, it builds up pressure around its eyes and shoots blood at predators, sometimes up to 5 feet.
That's metal. Does it work?
Apparently, yes. It confuses predators, and some, like coyotes, find the blood taste nasty. Fact 3. The pistol shrimp's sonic weapon. Alright, next up, the pistol shrimp. This little guy has a built-in weapon.
A pistol? Shrimp? Sounds like a comic book character.
It snaps its claw so fast, it creates a bubble that reaches 4,700 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun, for a split second.
That can't be real.
It is. The shockwave stuns or kills nearby fish, and the snap's so loud it can disrupt sonar. Fact 4. The glass frog's see-through skin.
Alright, how about a frog you can see through?
You mean the glass frog? Its underside is totally transparent. You can literally see its internal organs.
That's both amazing and a little creepy.
It's a great camouflage strategy. From below, it blends into leaves and surroundings, confusing predators.
So it's like nature's invisible cloak.
Fact 5. The hairy frog breaks its own bones to make claws. Next, the hairy frog, and it's way weirder than it sounds.
Hairy frog? That's already weird.
It breaks its toe bones to create sharp claws that pierce through its skin, Wolverine style.
That's brutal. It literally wounds itself to fight?
Yep, scientists think it only uses this defense when seriously threatened. Fact 6. The sea cucumber's ejectable organs.
You ever get so stressed you just throw your organs at someone?
Sea cucumbers do. When threatened, they eject their insides, intestines and all, at predators.
What? Why?
It distracts the predator so the sea cucumber can escape. Then it regenerates the lost organs later.
That's both disgusting and genius.
Fact 7. The lyrebird mimics chainsaws and alarms. You know those birds that sing beautifully, The lyrebird goes way beyond that.
Oh yeah, I've heard of this one. Doesn't it mimic other sounds?
Not just birds. It can mimic camera shutters, chainsaws, car alarms, you name it.
That's impressive. Why does it do that?
Mostly to attract mates. But it also might confuse threats by mimicking human activity. Fact 8. The African spiny mouse regrows skin, fur, and even spinal tissue.
If only we could heal like this next animal.
You mean the African spiny mouse? It can lose patches of skin to escape predators, then regrow it.
Skin, fur, and even spinal cord tissue. That's next-level regeneration.
Scientists are studying it for clues to human tissue repair. Nature's got all the cheat codes. Fact 9. The ice fish has antifreeze blood. Let's talk about a fish that doesn't freeze in Antarctic waters.
Sounds impossible. Water down there is below freezing.
But the ice fish has special proteins in its blood that act like antifreeze, preventing ice crystals from forming.
That's incredible. So it's swimming in a sub-zero freezer without turning into a popsicle?
Exactly, no other vertebrate can do that. Fact 10. The opossum's playing dead is an involuntary reflex.
Last one, the opossum, master of dramatic exits.
You mean the whole playing dead thing?
Yep, but here's the twist. It's not a choice. It's an automatic reaction, like fainting.
It goes limp, drools, even releases a smell like a rotting corpse.
Wow, full commitment. And predators usually walk away thinking it's actually dead.
And there you have it. 10 of the weirdest, wildest survival tricks in the animal kingdom.
From blood-shooting lizards to immortal jellyfish, nature is way more creative than we ever imagined.
Makes you wonder, what other bizarre adaptations are still out there, waiting to be discovered?
If you enjoyed this dive into nature's strangest superpowers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow animal lovers.
And let us know in the comments, which adaptation blew your mind the most?
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next wild adventure.